Yeah, Chef Eden over here. Look at him. Look at little chef cooking. Oh my panda! Look at this guy. He cooking burgers, hamburgers, hot dogs. The chef. Look at this guy. This guy is amazing. Doing this for the community. That's my little guy right there. See? So it's almost 10 o'clock and these kids are not in school. So they thought they just could hang out here in Starbucks while playing hooky from school. Oh, that's so panda. That's so panda. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we've got some hotness pastries that we need delivered to you. So, tonight, come and get it. So look, I put the pastries there about 10 minutes ago. He just now noticed that I put pastries. So now he takes the whole box. It can feed like 10 people. That's a big box. Just to give you guys clarification. This is why I don't donate food here all the time. They don't like to share. Got this little girl soliciting. Like, you should be in school, young lady. You should be in school, young lady. This is how our kids will get an education. You're supposed to be in school. You're in the subway soliciting, asking for money. What do we got here? From Court Square Pizza to donate to the community fridge. Oh my panda. Oh, I'm blessing people. Woo! Pizza time! Oh yeah, thank you, Court Square. The city has to fix the sidewalk. This is what happens when they don't fix the sidewalk. The sidewalk is uneven. People have been falling or breaking their ankles. They must fix the sidewalk. All right. It's been a week, and this has been here. It's a mess, isn't it? Well, welcome to the MTA, New York City, and tourists and visitors alike. Very inconsistent when they want more money. Once again, the escalator is out of order. 6 days in a row. Going on a week. Out of order, everyone. Look at these people. Mothers with strollers, mothers with toddlers, children. Yeah, good job, MTA. Look at this. Women with children. This is how you treat women with children, MTA? Seriously? Look at this. Elevator is out of order. Escalator is out of order. Not worth $290 for someone who has to do all this. Four days in a row, everyone. No escalator. This is why. MTA, you don't never keep promises, bro. So you just want to keep charging people the $290. Mind you, the senior citizens, children. Alright, so this has been here for about a week. And something's going on. Like I said, it's coming from the walls. So yeah, there's a leak problem within the walls. So, damn, niggas bust up his van. He got no windows. Holy shit. He got no windows, everyone. Bud. Are you seeing this guy's van right now? That's very dangerous. All that gasoline and propane. Oh my fucking Panda. Dude, that's crazy. This guy has very explosive things in that van. Hey, hey.
Yo, I gotta wish my son a happy birthday. We about to scream for him right now. He's trying to hide. He's trying to hide away. We want to eat the coat. Let's go. Happy birthday. My birthday, hear you. Happy birthday to you. He's over here, he's over here. Happy birthday.
Blow it out! Hurry up!
Lots of candles!
Blow it, Flaco! Yay!
We're gonna, yeah, eat that, eat that, eat that,
Eat that, eat that, eat.
Happy birthday, Pop. All right, back to skating, I'm sorry.
Whoever wants a cupcake, go get it!
Yeah, if you want a cupcake for his birthday, come over. Get some sugar. Pause, no diddy.
Yo, what do you got? Is that real? No.
Yes.
Nah, yo, that's crazy.
Are you good now?
Yo, not bad. Wow.
Okay, for you chefs out there, I just made some vegan scrambled eggs with veggies, and I want you to take a peek. This should be going inside a burrito. Normally, I make this to go inside a burrito. It has vegan Italian sausage, carrots, mushroom, garlic salt, pepper, umami, and this cheese.